I'm so happy being here with the fellows from Salzburg. Here I feel so welcome and accepted.
It's really impressive what Salzburg has put together here for us. The UIFs really built an amazing program in a really short time. Not only are we getting new knowledge and new insights we're sharing with each other, and I've never stopped being amazed with the creativity that we all put together.
This was a great opportunity for our team to come together.
I feel pretty excited, and I think that we've come up with a very good idea.
I was kind of nervous to come to this event because I didn't know anyone here, but even just after a few hours, I'm just so happy because we're all such a strong community already, and I consider everyone here my friend.
Me, the Alps Meetup was really nice because coming in, I didn't have a lot of inspiration on my own project, and I was just kind of at a standstill. But meeting all these people and hearing about their stories and stuff, I have so many notes and ideas now, so 10 out of 10.
And it's been an amazing experience. Thank you.
If you hustle and stay focused, that everything will fall into place.